hundreds, millions, billions of men today lack two things that are crucial for their success: patience and discipline. Because of seeing what's possible for others on social media, everyone wants quick success these days. Everyone wants quick success, but no one wants to put in the work. You can't reach to an effect without a cause. And these cause need not to be groundbreaking action. If you do five things, five simple things in five different areas of your life for the next 5 years, you would become undeniable. You would become an outlier. But most people can't sustain these habits. Most people can't wait to become successful. The average age of a millionaire is 37-year-old. Yet, how many of us want to be a millionaire before 25? I also want to be a millionaire before 25, but I know that on average, it takes decades to become that rich. Without giving it enough time, you can't build an empire. Rome wasn't built in a day. Without giving it enough time, you would not be able to build something remarkable. That shit takes time, years, decades. But every single day, you must lay the bricks. So here's the analogy. Every single day, you lay some bricks. And these bricks are micro wins. And do it for enough time so you build an empire out of those bricks. You build a fortress, you build a kingdom. Your daily task is just to stack them bricks. And what are these bricks? Each brick is a micro win. A workout is a micro win. Reading 10 pages is a micro win. Doing a deep work slot for 90 minutes is a micro win. Going on a date is a micro win. Reading for a test is a micro win. Every day you must stack these micro wins until your success becomes undeniable. These are not earth-shattering achievements. These are ordinary things. But Hormozi says that you become extraordinary by doing ordinary things for an extraordinary amount of time. So, you just need to take these 5 things and do those 5 things over the next 5 decades. Can you think in terms of decades? Men who think in terms of decades are terrifying, are dangerous. Most people don't have that level of patience. Most people want results quick. Most people want 6 abs in 30 days. Watch that YouTube video, it has millions of views. Most people want to get famous quick. They are chasing virality. While I am chasing quality of content. I can decide to do all of these things that people do for making viral content. But I choose to stick to quality instead of virality. Because I am in it for the long game. I know that consistency is much more important. A river does not cut through the canyon through its intensity. It does so by consistency. Every day, it will cut a granule of sand. Every day, every second, it will cut a granule of sand. And as that compounds, the river makes its own way through canyons, through rocks. So I ask you to become the river. So here's what I'm asking you. Pick out 5 areas of your life and deduce them into 5 doable actions that you will do every single day. These need not to be earth-shattering achievements. Small, doable tasks that you can do every single day. For me, let me give you my personal systems. First of all, 1 hour, I work out every single day. If the gym is closed, I would go and do cardio or walk in nature or do some pull-ups, do some push-ups. If I am in my home, I will do some home workout. But that is non-negotiable. 1 hour of moving my body, getting that workout in. That's a micro win. Second thing, I create every single day. For 1 hour, either I will be writing scripts or making these videos or writing posts on school communities. I create every day for 1 hour or more. And then I do 20 minutes of reading, 20 minutes of meditation, and 20 minutes of socializing. These 5 simple actions compounded over time give me a solid, rock-solid body, a great content system, and competence in the skill of creating content. It gives me knowledge, it gives me experience, it gives me a network of people that will help me in life. And bare minimum, it just takes 3 hours. Come on. For your life, for improving your life drastically, you can take out 3 hours. That is the ordinary thing. And The thing is, you need to fill the rest of your day, because if you don't, patience would become impossible. Patience is filling things up in the meantime. So, if you are going towards a goal of building a great body, you can't work out more than 2-3 hours a day. Even the bodybuilders who are on steroids can't work out for more than 4 hours a day. It depletes all the energy of the body. So, what would you do in the meantime? You'll have to fill your day with things like making food, putting posts on Instagram or YouTube for that bodybuilder's personal brand, right? You do all of these things so that every day your day is filled up. You're not thinking negative thoughts. You're not distracted. And after doing this for a lot of time, you become undeniable. You become unshakable. And you don't have to crush it every single day. You just don't break the chain of doing these 5 actions repeatedly. Because oftentimes I have a bad day. Let's say earlier I used to have these things that I used to wake up scrolling in the bed. I used to scroll for 2-3 hours straight, then sulk about it. And then I just had a bad day because I started with consumption and I continued with a sense of negativity that, oh, I wasted my time. Now I will waste my day. And that's why my day used to go in the drain. But even in the most depressing day, I can go and hit a 1 hour workout. I can go and read 10 pages. I can go and meet 4 or 5 friends, right? Call on people. Doing these 5 things would give you a sense of direction, progression, and progress makes you happy. It gives you a sense of direction, and your day is not wasted. If I do these 5 simple things in any day, my day is not wasted. It's a great day. And whenever I get complacent, I get in a rut, it is because I'm not doing these 5 actions. It's complacency in these 5 actions that depresses me. So, doing these 5 simple things every single day will give you a brilliant momentum that will carry you to your success point. But why does this work? I think this is because 95% of people in this generation are suffering with temporal myopia. No, what's that? I made a full video about that. If you have time, watch this after this video. So, temporal myopia, if I summarize it, it's time and myopia. You are short sighted with time. You don't think in terms of long term future. You just think about short term gain, instant gratification. Hundreds of people today, why do I say hundreds every time? Hundreds is a very small number. Millions of billions of people are suffering with this disease called instant gratification monkeyization because they just want to get things quickly. They want to gratify. Zero patience they have. So if you take advantage of this, and instead of taking the dopamine from crass short form content, you take that dopamine from doing 5 things that move you forward towards your dream life. That's still instant gratification, but with a lens towards the future. You are doing these small actions not because these small actions will give you result today, but they will give you a sense of progress today. They will give you an instant hit of accomplishment that, okay, I did the 5 actions that will drive me to the future. I am connected to my vision. That sense of progress is all you need to feel your day didn't go to a waste. Another framework that I think this in terms of is making decisions. We make a lot of decisions every single day. And if you make a few bad decisions, most people throw away their day because, oh, the day is wasted. The day is gone. I had a bad day. Who decided that? You decided that. When you woke up, scrolled for 6 hours, you had a choice that, my day is wasted. Now I can't do any productive work. My brain is fogged. Now I can't do anything. That is your decision. I can make a decision to do these 5 activities right then and there. It will just take me 2 hours, 3 hours, and I will have a great day. It's all about decisions. Whenever you feel like, I have sort of wasted a lot of time today, I have wasted the day, stop. Stop yourself and think in terms of decisions. I have a lot of decisions left today. If I decide that this day is a drain, it will go to a drain. If I decide that I can turn away this day by doing these 5 simple actions, you will have it. And you misunderstand what is a decision. A decision is often confused with a desire, a want. Okay? If you say that I should be doing my laundry, that is a want. That is not a decision. A decision is something that when you make a decision, nothing else can happen but that decision. Nothing else can stop you from doing that with all your life force, with everything that you have. That is a decision. That is called when you decide. Side means, decide comes from Latin of decadere, which is means to cut off everything else and do that one thing that you have decided. You must, you must do everything in your power, your parents' power, your network's power to bring that decision to life. That's a decision. So we need to make a few decisions of cutting everything else and just doing these 5 actions every single day. If you get them done first thing in the morning, then you have an awesome day, and then you just can fill things up with more productive things or more fun things. You can have fun, or you can do more work, whatever suits you better, whatever is your priority right now. We overestimate what we can do in 1 year and wildly underestimate what we can do in 10. We are short sighted. We evolved to survive for today and not make plans for 10 years ahead. But right now, that evolution is not helping us. So we say, fuck off, evolution. We care about ourselves and our goals. So this brain is trying to get you by the day and gratify itself instantly so that it can survive the body for the day. But we are not here for survival. We are here for thriving. We are here to make an impact. You can only lay so many bricks in a day. There is a limit, a daily limit, a weekly limit, a monthly limit. But these things compound. We will not see the results of these actions in the earlier times because the growth is happening invisibly. When a tree grows, first it grows its roots and then the shoot comes out. If you think that, oh, the tree is not growing and you stop watering it, it will die. So, if you keep on acting and you are seeing no actions when you stop acting, everything goes down a drain. You didn't give it enough time. You were just few steps away. You stopped few steps away from gold. That's why. Don't care about the results for the first 10 years. Take me seriously. Don't care about the results for the next 10 years, whatever you want to be a master at. Keep doing that thing. Don't expect results. The society will say horrible things to you. Your parents will doubt you. Your relatives will doubt you. Your friends will say, have you gone crazy? Let them say. Keep on doing the work. Keep on putting in the work, even though you don't see the result. The result is coming. And it's going to shock them. It's going to shock the world when you achieve what you set for. And you would transcend what you set to achieve for yourself if you keep on doing things with ruthless consistency. If you are in your 20s, your job is to keep spreading seeds, keep planting seeds. Don't care about the fruits now. The fruits will be given to you in your 30s, in your 40s. My roommate used to have this quote on his wall, which might be useful. Don't judge a day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you plant. So in your 20s, your job is to plant as many seeds as possible. This piece of content is a seed. Might get to hundreds of thousands of people, change their lives, and then in turn change my life. Every single output in this world is a seed. It can grow into anything unimaginable. So your job is to plant as many seeds as possible throughout the day. And if you do these 5 actions, you will plant enough seeds. and keep watering it. It's a nature's law, it will grow. You will get the thing if you are persistent, and you will keep the thing if you are consistent. Great quote by Harvey Mackay. Now, even after all that, if you think you can make a drastic transformation in 30 days or in 3 months, and you'll buy that courses of like 3 months transformation, you change your life, maybe you'll burn yourself out. Think of that. If you want a big result in a short time, you will burn yourself out. You will not feed in the things that need to be feeded inside your body to keep you going. And that is called unsustainable action. When you take unsustainable action, you burn out. And because of that, going fast is like going slow. Going slow is like going smooth. And going smooth is like going fast. So it would be much better to take things slower. If I had this information 3 years before, I would not have jumped like a crazy monkey on different niches, different business ideas, and I would have a solid something right now. But I have realized this mistake, and I don't want you guys to make this mistake again. So jump out of the delusion that any big significant change can happen in 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. It will take years. This is not a limiting belief. This is actual reality. You just can't push everything into a minuscule time frame. If you do, you will burn yourself out. And that is not sustainable. So if you want big success, if you want to move a mountain, pick a stone today and move it. Pick a stone tomorrow and move it. And keep going. Your empire awaits. And trust me, it's going to be more impressive than anything you could have rushed into existence. So drop down the 5 things that you are going to be doing again and again every single day for the next 10 years in the comments. I hope you loved this video. My energy is on another level because of the shit I'm doing. If you want to know that, you can book a call with me and I will guide you for free. And if you want to know how I'm doing the best dopamine detox, click on this video. Stay ruthless.